Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel Enhance Your Skills. So my name is Vikram and I'm your online tutor. Today we are going to learn a beautiful function of Excel, how to insert country flag in Excel in just 1 minute. This is my Excel file. So what I'll do is I'll go to data. First let me select all the countries. I'll go to data here. And in this we have an option geography. Okay, so I'll click this. So after clicking this, we have one small box saying insert data. Okay, so I'll click on this. So we have multiple options. So currently what we need is image. Okay, we need the image of the country. I'll click this. See, did you see the magic? So we have all the flags coming up in the B column here. And again, if we want to add like what is the current anthem for that particular country, so we'll go to the country again, select again this, and then an option national anthem. Okay, so see, like for India, Jana Gana Mana, and for Australia, Advanced Australia Fair. So this is a beautiful option available in the Microsoft Excel, which will helpful to add, like if someone is presenting any data in Excel and they want country flags also mapped against the country, so it is very helpful. I hope you like this video and hope you will get more videos like this which will be helpful in your daily activities, work activities. So let's meet again and keep learning. Whatever you are doing, stay safe wherever you are. So let's enhance your skills with me, and then let's connect again in our next video. Till then, goodbye and take care and keep learning. Bye bye.